Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access and resources so the session runs smoothly. Connect a stable Wi-Fi or wired network, plug in a headset, and close heavy apps. Once done, sign into your virtual space platform and grant mic and camera permissions. Make sure device settings match platform requirements. Choose the right space type: private room for focused work, public lobby for networking, or project workspace for collaboration, and enter. This first step prevents interruptions and gives you the context needed to build and interact effectively. Once inside, organize the environment so everyone knows where things are. Upload or import assets, pin a shared screen, and set file access levels. Make sure collaborators have editor or viewer rights as needed. Use avatar positioning and spatial audio to place voices correctly, and explain movement controls so people can navigate without bumping into tools. If you need focused work, create breakout areas. These choices determine how natural collaboration feels and reduce friction during active tasks. Wrap up by saving the layout and exporting any recordings or logs for review. You want reproducible context. Synchronize shared files, confirm everyone can access final assets, and test playback for recorded media. Once done, close the session cleanly to release resources. If something breaks, audio muted, missing assets, or lag, first restart the app, clear the cache, and reauthorize device permissions. If problems persist, switch to wired network or re-invite participants to restore a stable virtual experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.